Welcome back. This is a salvation class, Ventures 3, Part 3. It is for the day of June 15th, the 20th. If you have a composition or anything you want to email to me, which you would like to correct it, please send it to cmwicher@bellsouth.net. I have devised a way to correct and send it back to you. Okay, so today we're going to finish up the workbook and we're going to start on page 123, please. But before we do, I wanted to go over the vocabulary that I have here on my the whiteboard. So the first word is amphitheater. Amphitheater. Remember, you're supposed to be doing this out loud so that you have practice speaking English every day when you watch this. So what is the word? Amphitheater. So amphi is a Greek base, and amphi means around. And an amphitheater is an open-air venue that usually looks round and open. If you turn to page 123, you will see an amphitheater in the lower right-hand corner of the picture. This particular amphitheater is called the Hollywood Bowl, so you can see why it's called bowl. An amphitheater is open, half open, circular, round, and it is used for performances. It was used for performances in Greece many hundreds of years ago, and there are many amphitheaters all around the world, actually. And this one is one of the more famous ones, the Hollywood Bowl, because it's in the Hollywood Hills in a very beautiful setting. And when I went online to look it up, it said that the Hollywood Bowl is one of the top 15 places in the country to hold concerts or performances. So performances are held in this circular amphitheater. What is the word? Good. The second word is embedded. What is it? That's right, embedded. So if you look at your picture on 123, in the lower left-hand corner, what is this a picture of? So it's a walk along the Hollywood Walk of Fame, and there's something embedded in the sidewalk here. What is embedded in the sidewalks? Stars. That's right, stars are embedded in the sidewalk. So what does embed mean? Embedded means fixed firmly and deeply. So they are placed firmly and deeply in this sidewalk. There's another meaning for embedded, and that means ingrained. It means that you have heard it or learned it and repeated it so many times that it is embedded in your brain. Some idea, some vocabulary, a place, whatever. So this is another meaning for the word embedded. Another meaning for the word embedded is something placed deeply within something else. So the first thing that came to my mind was the earth and minerals and long shafts that go down deep into the earth, because what is embedded deep down in the earth that man might want to use? Coal. Coal is embedded deep in the earth. What is it? Gold is embedded deep in the earth. What is it? Minerals are embedded deep in the earth. What is it? That's right. So this is what embedded means. It can be embedded deep in your brain, in your subconscious, or physically embedded in something like the earth. The next vocabulary word I have here is Hollywood Bowl, and I've also told you already that it is one of the top 10 places for concerts to be enjoyed here in the United States. So these uh, uh, Hollywood Bowl is a place of culture, and so we want to review what the word culture means. What does culture mean to you? I went online and asked Siri, actually, I didn't go online. I went to my cell phone and asked Siri, culture. Culture, ideas, customs, and social behavior of a society. Ideas that are part of a particular group of people. Customs that are part of a particular group of people. Social behavior, traditions, how you eat, the kind of food that you eat, how you speak, your language, how you greet each other. These are all social behaviors of a particular society. Culture also means the art and intellectual achievement of these people or of an individual. And implied by this means that you have achieved or been very successful because of some effort that you have put into something, and therefore you have learned a new skill. Okay, so here we have the vocabulary that we're going to be talking about. What is it? Amphitheater, embedded, Hollywood Bowl, culture. Page 123. So it says, read the information, then write a paragraph about Hollywood. Include a main idea, at least 3 examples of things to do in Hollywood, and a conclusion. Your example is on the previous page. Here, the topic was Central Park. It had an introductory sentence, it had all the details about what you can do in Central Park, and then it had a conclusion or an ending sentence. I would like you to please do that. Send me an email after you have created this composition. What are you going to include about Hollywood? Visit Hollywood, birthplace of the movies, Los Angeles, California. So what are you going to include? On the left side of the picture, what does it have? That's right. Walk along the Hollywood Walk of Fame. So there are stars embedded, and who do you think these stars are? That's right, they're movie stars. And their names are embedded in the star itself. The next picture we see along the top, along the right-hand side, is the Hollywood sign. And Hollywood is known for movies. Here it tells you these are where movies are going to be made. In the lower right-hand picture, what is this a picture of? That's right, it is the Hollywood Bowl. And in the center on the bottom, there are signatures and handprints of movie stars. And where are they embedded? They're embedded in a sidewalk, right? So they must have poured a fresh layer of cement. The movie stars would get down and put their prints on, sign their names, and then it would dry and it's there forever. So the beginning of your composition is going to begin with this sentence. Everyone, one of the most popular tourist attractions in California is Hollywood. Hollywood has something for everyone. I'm going to begin and give you a few ideas, and then I would like you to finish. You can walk down the Hollywood Walk of Fame. This is a sidewalk with more than 2,600 five-pointed stars embedded in the sidewalks in Hollywood, bearing the names of musicians, actors, directors, and others right from the internet. But this is not exactly, but I read this and then I wrote my own sentence with this particular idea. That's what I would like you to do. Look up these ideas, create a sentence around them, put the detail in the middle of your composition, and then finish up. Got it? Okay, let's turn the page. 124, please. Another view. Everyone remember, you're supposed to be reading out loud. Here we go. Read the questions, look at the amusement park information, then fill in the correct answers. This is going to be a reading lesson, pronunciation, making sure that you're strengthening the muscles in your jaws and in your lips. First topic, that's right, admission. Let's read about Family Fun Amusement Park. Everyone, one day adult admission $39.95. Junior 3 to 8 $29.95. Senior 55 and over $32.95. Children under 3 are free. Why did they put parentheses? Remember, we talked about parentheses and what they do and how you can use them in a composition. Can you express that to me in a sentence, please? Yes, they give an explanation for the word prior, just before the parentheses. Okay, the next word, amenities. What is it? What is an amenity? Don't know, I hope you're looking it up. An amenity is something extra that they are going to give you in order to lure you in order to come to my house or to come to my restaurant or my hotel. I'm going to give you something extra. So an amenity is a little something extra that you do not have to pay for. And at the Family Fun Amusement Park, let's read what the amenities are. Everyone, water rides and family rides, indoor and outdoor swimming pools, 4 movie theaters, restaurants/cafes. Notice how they use that. Notice how they use the slash in this particular situation. Next, restaurants. Price range. What are these little dots called? Bullet points. Okay. Appetizers, semicolon, $5 dash $7.50. How do you read the dash? That's right, two. $5 to $7.50. Main course, $8.99 to $15. This is the way an American would read it. We would not say $8.99. We would just say $8.99. Or, however, when you see the 15, it's going to be $15. Desserts, $4.75 to $7.50. Next amenity, driving distance from destinations. San Francisco, California, 2 hours. Los Angeles, California, 6 hours. So this is if you want to go where? That's right, Family Fun Amusement Park. Let's read about Great Days Amusement Park. Notice the parentheses. Notice the plus sign. Notice the slash. Notice the dash. So that when you want to express this in your own composition, this is how you're going to do it. Admission, one day adult admission, $29.95. Junior, 5 to 12, $19.95. Senior, 65 and over, $24.95. Children under 5 are free. Next category, amenities. Mini golf and go-kart racing. Notice mini-golf. The other, go-kart, go-kart, and kart is spelled with a K. Go-kart racing. Next, climbing courses for all ages. Child play center. Restaurants/cafes. So you have to decide which side you like best, and that would help you to decide which amusement park you're going to go to. Next, mini golf and go-kart racing. Climbing courses for all ages. Child play center, restaurants and cafes. So, what is similar about both places? Restaurants and cafes. Okay, let's go to the next amenity. Restaurants. Price range, appetizers, $5 to $7.50. Main courses, $8.99 to $15. Desserts, $4.75 to $7.50. At the other park, price range, appetizers, $5 to $15. Main courses, $12 to $24. Desserts, $5.50 to $8.50. What do you notice right away? Yes, I hope you said, I noticed that Great Days Amusement Park is more expensive. Let's go down to the next amenity, driving distance from destinations. San Francisco, we already read this side. And the other side, Boston, Mass, 4 hours. Washington, D.C., 5 hours. Okay, let's go down to the question and answer section. Number 1, everyone, what is the admission for a person age 66 at Family Fun Amusement Park? So you go up to the little box, you see that it is $32.95. Next, we're going to read all of the choices. Which is cheapest? 1 junior admission at Family Fun, 1 junior admission at Great Days, 1 senior admission at Family Fun, 1 senior admission at Great Days. Which one is cheapest? Great Days Amusement Park, which would be 1 junior admission at Great Days and also 1 senior admission at Great Days. Okay, number 3, which statement is true? Everyone, children under 5 are free at Family Fun. True or not true? Not true. B, children over 3 are free at Family Fun. Not true. C, children over 3 are free at Great Days. No. D, children under 5 are free at Great Days. Yes, so it's that one. Number 4, how far is Great Days from Boston? 1.5 hours? 4 hours? Yes. Okay, got that one right away. So you can either say 1.5 or what else can you say? 1.5. Good. Number 5, which statement is true? Great Days has a child play center. Is that true? Yes. So that's the one. The next one, number 6, how much is the most expensive main course at Family Fun? A, $8.99. True? No. B, $12. True? No. C, $15. Yes, that's the one. Okay, That's it for this session, and I'll see you next time.